Oh. She's been preening me for the past 5 minutes. It's been a real struggle for me to actually try and grab my phone without her deciding to fly off me. She's preening my beard for about 5 minutes. Yeah, babe. Well, what's that? You're preening me a bit more. Don't get my hair caught in your feet, babe. It's the last thing I want to happen. Don't get hurting yourself. You're so white today. Such beautiful feathers as well. I like it when she sits on me for a while. It's very comforting, even if she does stick her tail in my mouth. Go on, sweetie, try and have your tail too far in my mouth. This is the way she looks at me when she's doing it. Have a lovely day.